Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to change an account type in QuickBooks Online. Updating account types can make your financial reports more accurate and keep your books better organized. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Head to the login page, enter your email and password, and click Sign In. If you see multiple QuickBooks products listed, make sure to select QuickBooks Online. This ensures you're working in the right platform. Once inside, go to the left-hand menu and click on Transactions. Then select Chart of Accounts. This is where all your accounts are listed. Next, find the account you want to update. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it and choose Edit. Before making changes, double-check you've selected the correct account. Editing the wrong one can affect your financial records. Now, from the Account Type drop-down, pick the category that matches your current business needs. This helps keep your books aligned with how your business is structured. Finally, click Save and Close to apply the update. Your account type is now changed and your reports will reflect the new setup. And that's how you change an account type in QuickBooks Online. Making sure your accounts are set up correctly gives you more reliable financial insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.